Hey everybody, welcome back to SoapyFluffs. Today we will be cutting our awesome hippie soap. This has a beautiful swirl in it. I dropped it one by one, section by section, and then swirled it. And kind of got away with me because I wanted that a little bit darker and this side a little bit lighter, so we had a little bit of variation today. So this is our nature soap mold, and then I handmade the bottoms. So, and we have holes at the bottom, so I'm going to go ahead and push this out. Look at that. Alright, here we go. Oh, let me just push this on this end. I want to make sure we get this out. Whoa, okay, I'm just going to set this off to the side. That's a beautiful bar soap we got here. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to carefully pull the sides. Make sure we're set. Oh yes, beautiful soap. Then I'm going to pull this side. Then I'm going to pull the other side over here. And this mold's a little bit tighter, so it takes a little bit of practice to pull this out. This is only my 5th time pulling soap out of this mold. Alright, here we go. Whoop. Drop there. There we go. Alright. There we go. Look at that beautiful bar of soap. Beautiful. Look at the... I can't wait. I'm so excited to get in to see this. Alright. I have my trusted cutter here. I'm going to go ahead and put my soap down on the side. I have this measured out to 1 inch. My soaps are all 1 inch, sometimes maybe a little bit bigger. I'm going to go ahead and move this just ever so slightly, because I want to make sure we're exactly on that inch and make room for cutting. So let's lift this up. All right, you guys got a good view? Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and move this over this side. Here we go. All right, look at that beautiful inside. Look at that. Okay, I'm just going to put this off to the side, and you guys will get to see the awesome cutting. Should get 17 bars of soap out of this. All right, look at the beautiful swirls, everybody. This is just precious. I'm really enjoying this. All right, we'll clean that off. All our soaps are all gluten-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. They are made with sweet almond oil, castor oil. They are made with an olive oil imported from Italy, as well as, beautiful, these are just beautiful, as well as, 1 second here, coconut 76 degrees. There we go. Cutting it again. All right, look at those. They're just so beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay, now we're getting to this end over here. And this side, I'm just going to move my mold a little bit so I can move these out of the way. At this side, I swirled a little bit differently. I did a up and down swirl, so we're going to get a little bit of different patterns, hopefully. We'll see. Now, this scent is a hippie scent. It is patchouli, lily. Oh, look at that direct line. This is beautiful. Look at that. It's just beautiful. I was thinking about a pencil art when I was creating this. All right. Now, so it is patchouli, lily, ylang, cannot say that word, and then sandalwood and cedar. Patchouli being one of the, oh no, look at that. Look at that swirl. Look at that, so beautiful. Love the different, that's what I love about soap. Soap has such characteristics. Alright, these are going to be listed at $10 because they just have a regular scent to them. They're just a very basic bar. Alright. There we go. So beautiful. Look at that. Look at that swirl in there. But yeah, so I was thought about like an artist doing pencil art when I created this. I wanted a really cool yin and yang sort of spiral look. Very calming. The smell is so interesting. Look at that. Beautiful lines. Beautiful. Bring it a little closer. There we go. Okay. Just a few more. Go ahead and clean my line there. Okay, let's see what this pattern changes as we go in. I'll bring this up for a closer look so you can see. It's so beautiful. All right. Let me go ahead and cut the rest of these for you here. I just got a few more. Don't you love that sound? It's so relaxing. Beautiful. Now I have a water discount, so these will be ready by next week on our website, SoapyFluffs.com. They usually ship out that day or next day when you order. There we go. Look at that, beautiful. Then I also have a sparkle on top. Usually lasts you between 8 to 12 showers, depending on how long you shower, how hot your water is, and if you properly take care of your soaps. All right, getting down to the wire, the soap cutting wire here, folks. There we go. Look at that. Oh, just the wisps are just beautiful in these soaps. Okay. I got one more here. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Just so interesting. All right. I might get a little sample piece off this one. We'll see. Yes. Not exactly, but. There we go. This one's a little thicker, so I might cut that in the end. We'll turn this one into a sample piece. Beautiful. Now we have a really tiny small one right here. Even the sample pieces, or the little baby pieces, are beautiful. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. See you guys at SoapyFluffs.com. I hope you enjoyed this awesome cutting, and thank you for joining me. Click that follow button and subscribe. See you later, and have a nice, beautiful day.